I tell you one difficulty that we have in this ummah at the moment. We don't greet each other. No greeting whatsoever. No salam. Unless you know the person or you want something from them, or perhaps they're wealthy or authority or popular or whatever else. Otherwise there's no greeting. No, we have these faces that are all screwed up, literally. You know, astaghfirullah. And what happens? You look at the other person, you look away and you're gone. But you're a Muslim, you're a Muslim. Learn to greet. I tell you, I've seen non-Muslims do better than us. Wallahi, I'm not joking. Morning, sir. They will tell you as they pass. Morning, ma'am. Good afternoon. They'll tell you, hi, how are you doing? Fine. You hear all these words, subhanAllah, coming from whom? Non-Muslims. They greet you. But you're a Muslim, you can't greet a fellow Muslim. You can't even greet others, no one. I'm just there, I'm my own person, dry, cold, that's it. It's me. Do you know that by greeting someone, you're actually engaging in a huge act of worship? You're achieving closeness to your Maker because you share the same Creator. Why do we call ourselves brothers and sisters? Because firstly, it's in humanity. We have the same Creator. We have the same forefathers. And thereafter, if you still share the same faith, you've got even more in common.